Have you ever wondered how your wireless doorbell camera works to keep your home safe and connected? Today, we're taking a look at the technology inside these popular home security devices. Wireless doorbell cameras have revolutionized how we interact with visitors, offering convenience and security right from our front porch. At the core, these devices are packed with complex hardware designed to capture, process, and transmit data efficiently. High-quality camera lenses and image sensors capture crisp visuals, while infrared sensors often enable clear night vision. Integrated microphones and speakers allow for two-way audio, letting you speak directly to someone at your door from anywhere. A built-in Wi-Fi module is the bridge, connecting the doorbell to your home network and the internet. How does this all work together when someone approaches your home? Motion detection sensors constantly monitor your porch, triggering the system the moment movement is identified. Pressing the button initiates an immediate signal, alerting the system that a visitor has arrived. The device quickly digitizes this information, preparing it for rapid transmission through your network. Encrypted video data is then sent securely to either the cloud or local storage for you to review later. Simultaneously, a real-time notification is pushed directly to your smartphone, so you're always in the loop. Installation is designed to be user-friendly, with options to suit different home needs. You can choose between rechargeable battery-powered models for easy placement or hardwired options for constant power. Mounting is straightforward, and syncing the device to your home network via an app takes just a few moments. Ultimately, these devices offer incredible peace of mind by keeping you connected to your home's entryway. By combining smart technology with security, wireless doorbells are a simple yet powerful addition to any modern home.